Are you searching for the best plastic welder? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best plastic welders in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. 70 watts hot stapler PVC plastic welder heat gun welding machine. 70 watts hot stapler PVC plastic welder heat gun welding machine plastic bumper soldering iron garage tools. Car bumper repair kits. 70 watts plastic repair welder kit. This 70 watts crack repair welding machine can be heated to 400 degrees Celsius 752 degrees Fahrenheit in 3 to 4 seconds. Compared with other low-power welding machines, it has more power and faster heating speed. Crack repair and welding are firm, and plastic parts that are easy to weld, cracks and damage are perfectly reassembled. After repairing, it has strong seismic and distortion resistance. Stable performance. This welding repair tool set has a maximum power of 70 watts, which can help you finish the repair of plastic parts of your car faster. The welding machine kit has 4 kinds of staples. In order to meet your different needs, the V-shaped staple can solve the inner corner problem, the M-shaped staple can solve the outer corner problem, and the other 2 staples can solve the plane problem. Ergonomically designed. The ergonomically designed handle feels comfortable to hold and will not feel fatigued when held for a long time, and no training is required. Learn to use it in a few seconds. Make your work more convenient, fast, and accurate, and weld the nails into the plastic quickly and easily. Permanently repair breaks, cracks, and tears in rigid or flexible thermoplastic parts. Perfect repair performance. It can thermally cut or dissolve soluble materials, repairs at least 98% of the plastics on the market. Perfect for repairing bumper, dashboard, lamp holder, plastic ring, radiator, spoiler, handles, headlights, plastic wings, car and motorcycle plastic device, etc., with a strong, durable repair while still remaining plastic flexibility.